Hello, let's learn basic reading in Malay. A, A, one, one. How many can you see here? Yes, there are two. One at the beginning of the word and in the middle of the word. One. One is the cloud. Where is the R? Yes, it is at the beginning of the word. B. B. B is fire. How many can you see? Yes, there are two. One, two. Yum. Ayam. Ayam is chicken. So notice that we do not say a. We do not say ayam. We say ah. That is the sound of the letter, not the name. Okay, so today we have learned the letter sound ah. Thank you. I'll see you again.